Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create or make documents from template in Google Docs. So here you can open a Google Docs first. Don't forget to sign in. If you already signed in with your Google account, you will be automatically sign in with this with all Google Surface or all Google apps. And this is the template gallery, so you can choose the CVs, resume, letters, personal, work or project proposal, sales, education, SI report, and so on. So here let's pick one of the report, and here we go. And if you think you are done, you can try to then you can save your project, and here you can try to close or go back home, and now you can find your template in the recent document. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.